Bigtractorpower.com is at the 2017 National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky, and we're here with Richard Conan, the Marketing Director for the AGCO Corporation, and we're excited to see the new 1000 Series Challenger here at the show and want to learn a little more about it.
Of course. We're definitely very excited with this product, unique product, the first tractor in the world to offer a front wheel assist over 400 horsepower, up to 500. Row crop capable to 420, like the tractor behind me, right? And it's a unique tractor, right, that we offer in our portfolio today.
And I can see here from the banner over here that it's row crop capable, which is a big achievement for a tractor of this size.
Correct. So 4 models in the 1000 series: the 38, 42, 46, and 50. Right. The 2 smaller ones are row crop capable, 60-inch. Right, and then the 46 and 50 are not, but those are more geared towards heavy tillage, heavy pulling, roading, those type of applications. So, but yeah, it's the 1038 and 1042 being able to with different tire configurations to be able to hit that 60-inch.
Sure. And I can see here at the show you've got your new 24-row white planter hooked up to it. And
yes, our new VE planter. It's a high-speed planter, so that's our new introduction this year on the white planter side.
And where is this tractor manufactured, and what advantages does it bring to the North American market?
Correct. So this one here is manufactured out of our Marktoberdorf plant in Germany. Right. It's obviously a German-based tractor. Technology, engineering. Right. Top-of-the-line product as far as technology included within the tractor. Right. And also the quality of the production out of that plant is, as we know, German-based, usually very well known for quality.
Certainly, and I guess this, what type of engine? We can see here the hood's open.
Yes, so this one here, we on the 1000 series will be a 12.4 MAN engine, right? And what's unique about the engine, it's a low rev, high torque engine. So this one here, the maximum RPM on the engine will be around 1700. And the maximum torque will be achieved at 1100, right? And the whole engine concept is based at your typical field operating speed, nominal operating speed in the field will be around that 1250 to 1300 engine RPM. So much quieter, less wear and tear on the engine, but also a much better torque curve at that horsepower, which also means less fuel consumption, right? So that's kind of really the uniqueness of that engine, right? And so the first question is, well, at 1300 engine RPM, I lose PTO speed, I lose hydraulics, right? Whereas this tractor, it's all designed to be able to be as efficient as possible at that engine RPM, right? So the whole concept of the tractor is built around that low engine revolution concept, right? So with this engine, the fan, what it allows us is to minimize the size of the radiator to maintain visibility out in front of the tractor. Now having the fan in front of the rads, we're pushing cold air instead of trying to pull hot air. It makes it much more efficient. And also, the clearance that we have between the shroud and the fan is much more limited, which makes it, again, a much more efficient cooling system. So even with the 500 horsepower, you don't need a huge cooling package.
And what kind of advantage does this tractor bring to the market over an articulated model? I mean, 20 years ago, 425 was the biggest tractor out there on the market, and now we're seeing 500 plus 600 horsepower articulated models, but you're right in that range of the, I guess, max 396 to 517 horsepower with these.
Yeah, correct. And so basically it's offering that front wheel assist. We all know it's a much more versatile tractor than an articulated tractor. Right, so we wanted to bring those advantages to the producers that need a tractor between that 400 to 500 horsepower range, right, and be able to utilize that versatility of a front wheel assist tractor versus an articulated, right, and we've seen that with this tractor, right, and at the end of the day, it's a better return on investment, right. So instead of putting on 400 hours a year on your articulated tractor, now with this one you can put on 500, 600, 700 because you can utilize it around the farm for many more different applications that usually you're not able to do with a articulated tractor. So that's the end goal of this one here, is that you can use it for many more applications and therefore get more hours per year on it.
Oh, that's very exciting. And
No, it definitely
what,
is.
What kind of road speed does this get, or field speed? I know that's kind of a big thing for
Correct.
that
So this,
technology.
it definitely utilizes our CVT technology, right? As you remember, AGCO back in 1995 came out with the first CVT transmission, right? So we've got over 20 years of knowledge and expertise in CVT transmission. So it's got CVT capability of going up to 32 miles an hour, 50 kilometers per hour, right? And without changing any gears or rangers or clutch backs, right? It's all just done with a joystick. There's no field road mode. It's all done just by pushing or pulling back on the joystick. So very easy operation for the operator.
And we had talked a little bit before about the joystick. This tractor was introduced here last year at the Farm Machinery Show as the Fendt 1000 series, and now we're going to see a Challenger version. What are the key differences between a Fendt and a Challenger besides the yellow and green paint?
It's going to be the user interface. So the joystick is a big component of it. The Challenger one will have a simplified version of the joystick, right, which is what our customer base definitely demands, here in North America. And then the Fendt will actually offer the Golden Customer Care Package, which is a 3-year of warranty and 3-year maintenance included in the purchase of the tractor, right, which is not included with a Challenger. Challenger will be a 2-year, 2,000-hour base warranty, right? So those are going to be. There's a few base options, right, that's on the tractor on the Challenger that's not built in the base of the tractor. But those are the base differences between a Challenger and a Fendt tractor.
Well, it'll be exciting to see more of these out in the field, and I've enjoyed watching some of your video of them hooked up to the big 50-foot field cultivators. Yes. And seeing what they can really accomplish out in the field.
Definitely. Dealers have been receiving their orders here in the past 30 days, right, and many more yet to come. So definitely spring of 17 will be interesting to see these tractors go out and start performing out in the field. And looking forward to it.
Oh, me too. I hope they catch one on the field. Thank you, Richard. Appreciate it.
Thank you.